Well, what's up, guys? Here we are. We're going to be checking out the new shop space that I just got about a couple weeks ago. So when I was originally talking to Ryan about it, it has access to a lift, which is pretty cool, and all sorts of tools like air tools, power tools, anything you could think of, cutting wheels, whatever. And this place is, I don't know what I just ran over right now. It is going to be the new home of my S13 that I recently bought. And it's like a dream come true. So I'm really excited. It's a beautiful day out. And I'm ready to show this guy the new place. And we also have Bub back here as well.
Roger's coming with us. So let's get to the shop and we'll see what's up with this S13.
It's a pile of crap, but it's a cool pile of crap.
Here we are.
Here's the Yale shop. All right, where do you think Tyler? I think Tyler will probably park right there. So I'll just I'll park it right here. Let's get out of the way. It's over here.
I kind of imagine, who's the guy that owns all the Porsches in LA?
Oh, Magnus Walker.
Yeah, I kind of imagine that space, but I guess it's not quite that baller.
Hey, look, it's bigger than it looks.
Okay, it's bigger than it looks. All right, well, let's go check it out.
Yep, let's go.
So let's do a little shop tour. We want to start with a shop tour of the bathroom.
Oh yeah, that's the best part actually. Here, after you. Oh, where the hell is the light switch? There's the light switch. All right, so right here we have the restroom. Oh, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Here's the wall of history. This is the vast collection of Tyler's video option, which is pretty sweet. There's a bottle of GTR water. All a bunch of vintage history right here, my friends.
Man, you guys have a lot of options.
Oh yeah, we got all the variety with all these options.
We got some epic Hayashis here.
Yep, some broken Hayashis.
We got turbos and extra alternators over here.
Yeah. Here's the engine room.
That one's a lot prettier than mine.
I'm gonna be real, I have no idea when the hell this got here. I'd never seen this before. I'm gonna have to ask Tyler where this one came from. Alright, so here's where all the magic happens besides from the restroom. Here it is.
What is that?
Yeah, this is one of the guys who stays at a shop. This is his drift car. Also, check these out. So this is what Tyler's been working on. So he's been reinforcing his subframe for his 240. So he recently just burned the bushings out of them, cleaned it, and then also just installed these plates. So it looks like it's coming out pretty good. There's one of my boxes I was using to soak up all the oil dripping off the IS300.
Rip in peace.
Yeah, rip in peace. If you guys don't, I haven't told you guys the story yet, but you'll be hearing that one pretty soon.
Yeah, it'll come up for sure.
It'll for sure come up. That is a smell, to say the least. This legit smells like my old one, like 1,000,000%. Terminal might actually be loose enough to just pull out. Cool. Done. Easy. What we do is we get a wrench that doesn't fit, and then I just pull it off by hand. You don't even need to use tools. And then here we have.
Oh yeah.
That's it. It's gonna be the new, what are those things called? Thumbnails. So right now it has an S14 radiator on it. The only difference between the S14 and the S13 radiator is that the tabs are different, but I have an S13 radiator inside the truck.
So what's different?
Basically, these two tabs, the little mounting tabs, are different because the S13 one's like right here.
So what does that affect?
Nothing. It's the same radiator design. Like, still has the same, like, area of entry, like right here. But that's like the only difference, just the tab differences.
Oh, okay.
The car did have some damage on the radiator support, but over at the shop, the guys ended up basically welding on this new radiator support, and now there it is.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's pretty clean. Not bad. It has no rolled fenders, no body work or anything. And
I mean, the front fenders definitely aren't rolled.
no. But there's no, like you can even see on the inside right here at the pinch weld, or like the little pinch weld area, these usually get hammered in when drifting, and this one hasn't been hammered in yet, which tells me that this has not been messed with yet. And there's also no weird things with the wiring harness as well. So when you lower the car, basically it smushes the wiring harness right here. And you usually have to do a wiring harness tuck, which is when you cut this and you just like route it like over the top.
Yeah, you place it like up here.
Yeah, exactly. So it's pretty cool, dude. Here she is.
Ooh.
Man, I really did an amazing job putting this thing on, because I got it under every single nook and cranny.
It's really tucked in there, huh?
Yeah, it was.
Look how straight this is here. That's a straight chassis.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, when I was originally looking at it, I was like, oh, sick. Like, there's no tweaks or anything due to the damage that I had before. That was the main thing I wanted to look at, is that, you know, like, are the frame rails good and all that jazz. But I mean, even looking under here, dude, like, it's super clean. Like, it's stupid. There's no weird Mickey Mouse stuff or anything. It's literally just a stock S13.
Wow. But nice hardtop here.
Thank you.
I know some of you guys are jealous about that. I certainly am. With the Z having a massive hole in the top of it.
Yeah, we don't have no moonroof yet, but we'll soon be upgrading.
We'll be upgrading to a moonroof soon.
It'll be the new moonroof model on the S13. This key is always weird too. It's one of those copies of a copy key. Oh, got it. There you go. So it's also a black interior model. So that's pretty sweet. My last one was a tan one, which the tan one looks really ugly. I hate the tan interior, but this one's really nice and tasty. And as you can see, there's only a couple dash cracks, nothing too terrible. I'm thinking I'll probably put like a little mat on top of it just to cover it up. I mean, I'm so hyped on it.
Yeah, you look pretty happy.
It does smell like a 240 though.
Oh.
When you get in,
unfortunately, it's not going to come across in camera, but
yeah, if I can convey the smell, it almost smells like somebody's been living in this for probably like the past 5 years.
Does it smell like cigarettes and
must?
Cigarettes and must? A little bit of like cheap air freshener?
Little bit. I'm actually gonna go buy a 10-pack of black ice, and I'm just gonna hang it in there and let it sit in the sun for a few days, and I think I might fix the smell.
That's definitely how you get the proper JDM smell going on.
Look at that. That's some good padding right there. You do not get that kind of padding out of an old 1980 seat. Like, that is some good padding.
That's some dope padding right
And the carpet is still in good condition. Just needs a good vacuum and some detailing. It has the back seats still. It has fucking, like, nice seat belts. I mean, look at the seat belt. I don't know what the hell that is, but look at the seat belt. So this is the simple drift car. That's it.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
So what are we doing, Coop?
Well, remember that conversation we had about baby vomit?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're getting all the baby vomit smell out of here.
We vacuumed half of it, which
Yeah.
is the part you're standing in with your nice clean shoes.
Yep.
And then this is what we're dealing with. Look
Yeah, all
at
the encrusted
Look
stuff.
at this.
I'd also like to give a quick shout out to Simple Green. So you know, their products are great. We always use Simple Green on cleaning all sorts of surfaces.
Yeah. Shout out to Simple Green for sponsorship.
Yeah, shout out for the sponsorship.
Oh,
Jeez, mess.
Jesus Christ. It literally looks like someone just has bird shit in their car. Like, look at this. It literally looks like bird shit.
It's pretty bad. Yeah, it looks really bad.
Oh my god.
It's all crust. I might just pull that shit out completely. It looks grody. And I was like, oh fuck.
Well, it was a dusty car.
Yeah, she was a little dusty.
We got a lot of work done on it today, though, in terms of like cleaning it up.
Yeah, I'd say that she's getting there for sure. I mean, she's getting ready to be carring, at least right now, in the near future. If I wanted to go drive it, it looks presentable.
Yeah, you could put your mother in it, and she wouldn't like immediately vomit it.
Yeah, definitely. But I'd say all in all, it was pretty successful today.
Yeah.
Got all that done. I'm glad we got to take you guys with, and it's gonna be a lot of new things coming up for the S13. First of all, I gotta put the front kit. I gotta put the front clip back on it. I gotta put like everything. It's gonna be getting a diff and a bunch of other goodies that are over at the shop. So can't wait to take you guys along with it. Show you guys the process on building one of these, and I already got wheels for it, so even better, right?
Yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
If you like this sort of content, let us know in comments, or like, subscribe, all of that bullshit.
Or tell us you hate it. Also, that works too.
Yeah, tell us you hate it. Tell us what you hate. That's probably way more helpful than telling us.
Tell us we suck.
Well, tell us what sucked. Don't just say, "Oh, you suck."
Yeah,
that's not very helpful.
Give us something that like we can build off of.
Yeah. All right, we'll catch you guys in the next one.
Later, guys.